Welcome back to my channel, and this is my PowerPoint I made in my bank frames, and I'll show you it. So that's for the Scotsman, and that's from the steaming gym, and that's the LMR one that takes you to London. This picture has him over there. This is where I'll be more on. There's him. That's Scotland Queens. The Scotland Queens one from Edinburgh 5. And of the Reverend Fossens. When there's a plane coming at the first and the barrels go down, and the red light flashes when the planes pass. Barrels rapidly, so that's Cologne. That's not North Stations. That's not Springs Ferry. That's I think that's what they are. That's Corned Beef. That's One Island. That's Camden. The gentleman setting that's Tenholm. And that's a flat that you use. Let me come over there. That's all things that take you into London. This picture has them over there. And now we have the signals. The signals. That's the signal, that's where we're pushing, that's signal, that's not normal signal. That's where we're pushing signal. That signal. When I was doing my PowerPoint, I actually put some pictures in, or in there, and I put nuts on my black. That's stationary little footage. And you can park. The bridge, as you may see. That's the round bridge. There's a new foot over there. And you can see the Scotsman there. And the fourth round bridge. What planes go over to get to Fife and Edinburgh. So that's my PowerPoint that I've made planes by me. Truly, in my opinion. And if you like my PowerPoint, link it if you think it needs more work done to it and more pictures added. I don't know, but I've done that. So, and so I'm going to end the video here now. I showed you PowerPoint. I made a bit of freeze, so bye guys.